Hi everyone, my name is Angelina here at Corbella at Juanita Bay, and I'm going to be showing you B102. So here's the entryway. You have the kitchen to the right here. You have your microwave, your fridge, your oven, dishwasher, garbage disposal, and plenty of storage in these cabinets here. And I walk into the living room. It's a very spacious place. It's 600 square feet. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. You have a really great view. This is the enclosed patio space. And the best part is that you have a creek right in your backyard. You also have your storage space out on your patio. It's quite large. You can fit a few boxes, your Christmas tree and bike and whatnot there. And as we walk over here, you have your washer and dryer, stackable. Here is your bathroom. There's also a medicine cabinet. Here is your 1-bedroom. You have a nice corner window. Your closet. And that is B102. It's available right now. Please contact the office if you're interested.